Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to backtest right here in ThinkorSwim. And if you want to backtest, the first thing that we are going to do is go right here to Analyze and then go right there to Think Back. Then first of all, we select right here a symbol that we want to trade. So let's do Nvidia again, that's fine. And then you see right here the last price on this date. So let's change right now the date. And let's do the date to November or no, October the 1st, that is fine. Then also the price right here is changing. And then what you can do right here is do right mouse click and do buy. Now you can also do exactly the same for a sell. So right mouse click and then do right here sell. And then you see right here that you created the positions on the chart. And then right here you will find the chart on that price. So let's say we go to October. Then right here, there's October. And then if you zoom in right here on this part, you will see right here the chart on that moment. And then you can do right here your analysis if you want to do that. But you need to play right here with the date, the correct symbol right there. And then, yeah, you can buy and sell if you want to do that. But let's change the date right here again. So do it to there. Then you see the price is, again changed. And then we click right here on right mouse click, buy, and we do it again for a sell position. And now if we are holding our control key, we can zoom out right here on the chart again. So this is in a nutshell how you can backtest right here on ThinkorSwim. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.